Welcome to Exam Sale. This script walks you through the syllabus for the exam HP, deploying HP FlexNetwork core technologies in a clear and focused way. Expect a concise guide to what you must learn and where to prioritize your time. This exam is split across 4 domains with exact weights to guide your study plan. Install, configure, and set up HP FlexNetwork solutions is 54%. Troubleshoot HP FlexNetwork solutions is 20%. Manage HP FlexNetwork solutions is 14%, and Architect and Design HP FlexNetwork solutions is 12%. Together these domains balance hands-on deployment skills, scenario-based troubleshooting, and conceptual design and management knowledge. I will summarize what each domain tests, the difficulty, estimated study time, assessment type, and the key topics you must master. Install, configure, and set up HP FlexNetwork solutions is the largest domain at 54%, labeled hard with 40 hours of estimated learning and assessed by hands-on plus conceptual tasks. You will learn IRF fundamentals including member IDs, priority configuration, physical and logical port bindings, MAD protocols and split brain recovery, along with verifying topology and synchronization and managing link redundancy. You will also master core layer 3 routing with single area and multi-area OSPF, neighbor authentication and timer tuning, BGP peering and attribute manipulation, route redistribution between OSPF and BGP, route filtering and summarization, and ECMP deployment. In addition, the domain covers IP multicast services such as IGMP operation, IGMP snooping and querier functions, PIM-SM and PIM-DM configuration with rendezvous points and BSR, multicast routing tables and RPF handling, and optimizing multicast traffic delivery across IRF fabrics, plus COS principles that include traffic classification, DSCP and COS marking and remarking, congestion management, priority and weighted queuing, and policing and shaping applied to both physical and logical interfaces. Troubleshoot HP FlexNetwork solutions carries 20% of the exam, is rated hard, requires around 18 hours of study, and is assessed with scenario-based questions that test practical problem solving. You will practice network diagnostic tools in COMware including display and debugging commands, packet capture with local and remote mirroring, and using ping, traceroute and NQA for reachability testing. While validating ARP and MAC table consistency, you will analyze IRF fabric health and link status, resolve VLAN tagging and spanning tree issues, and debug protocol operations like OSPF adjacency and LSA propagation and BGP neighbor establishment failures. The troubleshooting domain also requires identifying multicast routing loops and reverse path forwarding failures, analyzing cost drops and buffer utilization, and debugging MAD failure scenarios in IRF deployments. Manage HP FlexNetwork solutions accounts for 14% of the exam, is medium difficulty, needs about 12 hours of study, and uses conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will learn to use Intelligent Management Center for device discovery and inventory, configure SNMPv2C and SNMPv3 parameters, manage configuration backups and restorations, deploy software images via IMC, and monitor device performance with threshold alarms while using VLAN and ACL management modules. The device maintenance and security topics cover secure access using SSH and Telnet, local and remote authentication with Radius and TACAX+, role-based access control for administrators, NTP configuration for time synchronization, file system and storage management on COMware switches, and implementing syslog and RMON for event logging and audit trails. These skills will help you maintain operational stability and meet compliance and security requirements in production environments. Architect and Design HP FlexNetwork solutions is 12% of the exam, medium difficulty, with 10 hours of study and scenario-based assessment focused on planning scalable and redundant core infrastructures. You will learn to differentiate 2-tier and 3-tier designs, select core and aggregation hardware, design for high availability and sub-second failover, and plan for horizontal and vertical scalability while incorporating virtualization features like MDC and VSC and determining fiber and transceiver requirements. You will also design IRF topologies for campus and data centers, plan multi-chassis link aggregation and routing area boundaries, select appropriate MAD mechanisms for your topology, and design multicast distribution structures to ensure efficient traffic flow. Emphasis is on translating business and performance requirements into resilient, maintainable network architectures. Prepare with a mix of lab practice and focused reading, prioritizing the 54% deployment domain but reserving time for troubleshooting, management, and design scenarios. Use the estimated learning time for each domain as a study guide and practice the hands-on tasks for IRF, routing, multicast, and COS until you can configure and verify them confidently. Good luck with HP, deploying HP FlexNetwork core technologies and study smart to pass with confidence.